Okay, let's just get right into it. Today, we're taking on a topic that has caused, well, honestly, countless headaches, but it's absolutely vital to your peace of mind. We are mastering the Georgia Department of Labor's unemployment claims status process.
Seriously, are you feeling completely lost navigating the maze of unemployment claims in Georgia? Stick around, because we're going to unravel the process step by step to help you get the answers you need quickly and easily. Look, I know this transition period can be incredibly stressful, it really can, but we're going to demystify this entire system together, right now.
Here's our roadmap for today's explainer. 1. Welcome to the maze. 2. Navigating the MyUI portal. 3. Decoding your claim status. 4. Overcoming login roadblocks. 5. Escalation and alternative methods. And finally, 6. Final tips and wrap-up.
Section 1. Welcome to the maze, setting the stage for success.
Moving right along to Section 2. Navigating the MyUI portal. Accessing your account.
All right, so getting through the front door safely is step 1. Here's exactly how you do it. Step 1, visit the official website at dol.georgia.gov. Step 2, locate and click right on the MyUI claimant portal. And Step 3, enter your social security number and your password. It sounds incredibly simple, right? Well, actually, this is exactly where a ton of people hit a massive roadblock.
And here's why. There's a huge contrast between the old and the new system, and it causes so much confusion. For years, everything relied on this old 4-digit PIN, the one primarily used for the phone systems and those way-to-go debit cards. But the new portal password, it's way stricter. You need 8 to 20 characters, an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a number, and a special character. So if you're trying to use that old 4-digit PIN to log into the new online portal, yeah, it's just not going to work.
Section 3. Decoding your claim status, translating GDOL jargon.
Okay, I want you to burn the number 120 into your brain. If you start a claim but leave it incomplete, it doesn't just sit in the system forever. Nope. The GDOL permanently deletes incomplete claims after exactly 120 hours from your initial start time. So please make sure you finish what you start so you don't lose all your hard work.
Next up, you'll hopefully see Claim Submitted. Boom! This is your first major milestone. It literally means your claim has been received, you've got a confirmation number, and it's officially pending review by the Department of Labor. Once you see this, take a breath, your application is safely in their hands.
Then there's claim processed. Now, honestly, this one is a bit counterintuitive. According to the GDOL, this can actually mean your claim hasn't been submitted yet, in which case the text for claim submitted will just be gray or yellow, or it means it's been submitted but the department hasn't fully processed it yet. So whatever you do, don't panic if this status looks a little weird. It just means the administrative gears are still turning behind the scenes.
Section 4. Overcoming login roadblocks, ID.me, and password fixes.
Look, technical glitches, they happen to all of us. The state uses ID.me to prevent identity theft, but sometimes those verifications just fail. Let's map out why. A document upload error? That's usually just some bad glare, cropped borders, or maybe an invalid ID. The quick fix is to literally just rephotograph your ID in a well-lit area, making sure all 4 corners are in the frame. What about a biometric selfie failure? Well, 9 times out of 10, that's just blocked camera permissions in your web browser. Just reset those permissions and try again. And finally, an MFA, or multi-factor authentication transmission failure. That usually means a wrong phone number or a weird carrier issue. You can just initiate an MFA reset right there on the ID.me login page to bypass it. Easy enough, right?
Now, what about password lockouts? Here are the exact rules. Your account is going to automatically lock after exactly 3 incorrect password attempts. 3 strikes, you're locked out. If that happens, don't worry, you can reset it online via the Unemployment Claim Account Management interface. You're just going to need your social security number and date of birth. Or hey, if the online tool is giving you grief, just call 877-709-8185 to have a human representative unlock it for you.
Section 5. Escalation and alternative methods. Getting human help. Pay very close attention to this number, 21. If you have been actively certifying for your weekly benefits, but you haven't received a written determination in 21 days, you must escalate the issue by phone. Seriously, do not just sit around waiting in silence past the 3-week mark.
When it is finally time to reach out, here is your official GDOL contact arsenal. You might want to grab a pen and note these down. For general customer service, call 1-877-709-8185. 8185. Now, if you live in the metro Atlanta area, use their dedicated hotline, 404-232-3001. Dealing with a way-to-go debit card issue specifically? Call 1-800-656-1347. And remember, the GDOL Career Centers offer in-person support all across the state if you just need to talk to someone face-to-face.
Section 6, Final Tips and Wrap-Up, Securing Your Claim.
Let's wrap up with some expert advice you really need to follow. First, keep thorough, meticulous records of all your communications with the GDOL. Next, proactively monitor your MyUI status on a regular basis. And finally, and this is a big one, never, ever share your password with anyone. Keeping great records and staying secure are literally your best defenses for ensuring your ongoing eligibility and protecting yourself from fraud. Now, before we go, a quick disclaimer. This explainer uses official Georgia Department of Labor source information to guide you, but it's not a substitute for professional legal or financial advice. Make sure to consult the GDOL directly or your own financial advisors regarding your specific case before making any binding decisions.
So are you ready to log in and completely conquer the MyUI portal? Navigating this system really doesn't have to be overwhelming when you have the right knowledge right in front of you. Subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and hey, drop a comment below sharing your own GDOL experience. It really helps support the whole community. I'll leave you with this final thought. If taking control of your unemployment claim is the very first step toward your next great career opportunity, what's stopping you from logging in and getting your answers today?